you're someone who likes to wear a beautiful, bold red or just any bold color lip, but sometimes your lipstick tends to bleed and go up to your nostrils, which is not a great look, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to prevent that. First is lip care, super important. Just like your skincare, your lips are skin, so they need to be taken care of. I recommend exfoliating. Exfoliating every day is something that I do. I like this portable lip exfoliator. It's portable. I can throw it in my purse. You just rub it around. I like to go right above the lip line because the more you stimulate your skin, the more collagen it's going to produce. And as you know, once you hit 30, your collagen takes a nosedive. So exfoliating with your face exfoliator also would help. I do that once a month actually. When I'm doing my face exfoliator, I just put a little on, rub it around, wipe it off, and then let my face exfoliator sit there for 5 to 10 minutes. Another thing that you can do, which I have just learned this little trick, is take a primer and prime your lips. You just need, just the littlest amount. You put that on your lips, which is going to sit on top of your lips and prevent the lipstick or the lip stain that you're using from sinking into those fine lines and wrinkles. Another tip is that you want to wear a lip liner. A lip liner is going to provide that barrier between your lip line and your skin. And it's going to stop the lipstick from bleeding upwards or downwards. Now you want to pick a lip liner that's complementary to the lipstick or the lip stain that you're wearing. I'm going to wear this color Fab today, so I picked the lip liner called Peppy. We also have a lip liner called Pricey, which is clear. So that is another option if you're not exactly sure what color lip liner you should wear. Okay, first we're going to start by putting our lip liner on. As you can see, my lips aren't too thin, they're not too full, but I would like my upper lip to be a little fuller. So what I do is I overline slightly in the center. And then I make that X that everybody talks about. And then I go ahead and follow the natural line of my lips here and slightly overline over the center of my bottom lip. Now I like to color my lip in with my lip liner. The reason that I like to do that is because lipstick is not a lip stain and it will need to be reapplied later. But however, if I have colored it in, then I still have that color on my lips. Now I could go out just like this and be done with my day. Now I could go out just like this, just put a little bit of gloss over it. These lip liners are long lasting. They will be on your lips for quite a while. And then I just take my lipstick and I fill in the middle of my lips. Is that. Now I like to put a little bit of gloss over, so we're going to use the color Lighthearted today. Now I just put this in the center of my lips. It's going to last quite a while as long as you're not eating anything too sloppy or drinking anything too messy. Now setting your lips. A lot of people use the trick of putting a Kleenex over your lips and then putting a translucent powder on top of that. Totally great way to set your lips. I prefer a setting spray, so I'm going to use my Behold Touch setting spray all over my whole face. That way everything gets set at once. And then you're good for the day. You can go on. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me. Bye-bye.